you're my king. Your life raised me to sing. I will praise you all my days. You're perfect in all your ways. Hail Jesus, you're my Lord. I will obey your word. Because I want to see your kingdom come. Not my will, but yours be done. Glory, glory to the Lamb. You will take us into the land. We will conquer in your name. And proclaim that Jesus reigns. Hail, hail, Light of Judah. How wonderful you are. Oh, hail, hail, Light of Judah. How powerful you are. He's the Lion and the tribe of Judah. He's the root and the offspring of David. He's the lily of the valley. He's the Christ and the Lord.